Hey folks, Jimmy here, aka Palette of the Dead. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another Mortal Realms video. As per usual, if you like these videos though, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and drop a comment down below. It is greatly appreciated. Right, every now and again I like to have a little look towards the future of the magazine, and this video is no different from that. So, upcoming in the very near future, so issue 45, so we're only a few issues away from that, we're going to get a pot of Wild Rider Red and a pot of Wild Stacker Red as well. Not too bad, it's always nice to have some extra paint, but the saving's not really there in all honesty. Going on though to issue 46, we're getting some more scenery. I'm not too fussed, it's more Warcry scenery. We're getting that Fallen Sigmar statue, which is kind of like a wooden pallet, kind of like log palisade, and some planks of wood strewn across the top of a broken head of a Sigmar statue. Yeah, not a lot to say to that. That issue will also have some information about the Slaves to Darkness, some extra core rules and stuff like that as well, to keep us going. Issue 47 gets better though. Issue 47 is going to come with the Farstrider models from Warhammer Underworlds. These are really nice Stormcast. They are nicely sculpted on those pre-sculpted bases as well. They look pretty cool. I'm quite happy to get hold of those. They look really nice, and they should go very well. Issue 48, in my opinion, gets that ever so slightly a little bit better, especially if you like collecting your Nighthaunts, because you are getting Reikenor the Grim Hailer. So this model it's an easy build model, but it is really nice. It's a nice looking model. You are saving a good deal of money if you are getting this issue as well. Buying that model on its own is normally about 25 quid, so you were getting a very nice model for it. That winged steed with a Nighthaunt model over the top and that sculpted base, pretty cool stuff. I'm quite happy to get hold of that, and I'm looking forward to it in all honesty. Issue 49 is kind of another step backwards though. We're getting some paints, we're getting some Administratum Grey and a pot of White Scar as well. Both are going to come in handy, but I'm not too sure if they're really necessary at the moment. At this point in the magazine, it'll be nice to see some more models on the go. And then in issue 50, we're getting more Sigmarite ruins. From the looks of the cover that you can see on screen now, it is the broken pillars sections and stuff like that. I don't think it's really necessary. I'm not too fussed by it myself, but they can come in handy at times if you really care about your scenery pieces and having loads of extra scenery. Personally, I'm not too fussed. I think we've already got plenty of scenery to keep us going for quite a while for a lot of the games, and I don't think we need much more at the moment, but everybody has their own personal opinions on that. Anyway, so we now know what's going on to issue 50. After issue 50, who knows? Hopefully we should be getting really good stuff, because we only have 30 issues left after that point. So we should be getting everything from things like a Lord Celestant, we've got a Lord Relictor to come, we've got a load of other bits and pieces. We've got the good old, I'm trying to find the full picture. We've got a load of really cool stuff, so we're going to have some good bits and pieces, so kind of spreading out and getting kind of us going with a lot more, as well as having our Mortis engine as well, which will be really cool, and Lady Alienda, and a few extra bits and pieces as well. So we've got some really good stuff to come, which should be kind of pumped out in that last 30 issues, which will be really good. It should be good to look forward to it, but we'll have to wait and see as and when they're going to release it, because there will be more terrain pieces to come. There should be another Sigmar statue. There should be a few more of the Dominion of Sigmar pieces as well. So it is now just waiting to see as and when what's going to come and everything like that. So that's about it. Let me know what you're thinking of the magazine so far in the comments down below. I will get back to everybody as soon as I possibly can, and yeah, we can go from there and we'll start up a conversation. Now, before I leave, I just wanted to say, if you have joined me on Twitch while I live stream some gameplay, not necessarily Warhammer gameplay, I do play a lot of other stuff like Planet Zoo, Planet Coaster, mainly that kind of strategy stuff. Thank you very, very much for your support. I made affiliate on Twitch as well, so if you have supported me getting to that point, whether you're following me or anything like that, I appreciate every person who has done that, and it's not something I expected, so I can only thank you all. Right, I'm going to be getting off now. Keep an eye out. I'm going to do another White Dwarf magazine kind of flick through and everything like that very, very soon. A few extra things that we will have a look at, and there will be some painting videos coming. It's just literally, I've got to find the time to do it all, and that's it. Right, thank you very much for watching. I've kept you all long enough. I hope you enjoy your evenings, and I will catch you next time. Bye bye now.